First, let's set up the pen tablet. The interface may vary depending on the manufacturer of your tablet, but the basic configuration process is generally the same. Please use this as a reference to configure your specific pen tablet. In this tutorial, we'll be using a Wacom pen tablet. Open your pen tablet settings software. Ensure that Blender is running, as the software requires Blender to be active during configuration. Click on the Pen Settings section. A menu similar to the one shown should appear. In the Applications section, click the plus icon to add Blender. Note that Blender will not appear in the list unless it is running, so make sure it's open before proceeding. Once Blender has been added and selected in the Applications section, configure the pen buttons. Set the tip of the pen to middle click and the upper button to right click. That completes the basic pen tablet setup. While this was a brief tutorial, these button settings will be used throughout the course, so ensure the clicks are configured as instructed. Feel free to customize other settings to your preference. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll proceed with the default configuration.